Hi there. So in this tutorial I'm going to explain you how to create a simple WordPress plugin that outputs codes in your WordPress footer line. So when you have, let's say, theme like this, let's go to simple theme of 2015. Okay, this looks very simple, so I'm going to select this one and going to make sure that in the footer line we are getting our codes. So let's do the first thing. Go to WP content directory, then plugins, and create a folder here named as codes. Okay, now here we are going to store our plugin file, which is basically a PHP file. So let's create that PHP file. Let me store that in my WP content plugins and codes. Here I'm going to save it as codes.php. Okay, so this is my start of PHP tag. Then I'm going to put a comment here with name as plugin name, adds codes, then plugin URI adds http wordpress.org. okay, then let's have description random codes in footer. Then we have version, which is 1.0 for me, then author, which is me, name Mahesh, you can change it to your own name. Okay, author URI http youtube.com/helpfolder. okay, final, the license, which is GPL2. okay, and then I'm going to close the comment. Okay, and coming back to PHP. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a function named codes. Okay, and inside this I'm going to create a variable which is basically going to be an array. This array will hold codes like become, stay still, breathe. Okay, then second should be something like anything that you can think of. Okay, this is my second code, and I'm going with one more code. Let's say so I'm going to make sure that my code will just randomly select one up from this and print it out. So let's create a variable called random number. Okay, and inside this I'm going to use a function called ran, and I'm going to use 0 and then count and then go for codes, this codes array, and I'm going to make sure that I am outputting it. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to echo this out, codes, and I'm going to go for random number. Okay, and just going to echo it out. Okay, so after this what we have to do is we have to add this action for our footer. So basically this function is going to get the code and randomly select one and echo it out. Now where you want to display this is up to you. For me it is going to be add action and then wp underscore footer, and then I'm going to output quotes. Okay, now we have that here. Let's see if we have this file created here, and then I'm going inside dashboard and I'm going to select this plugin now. Okay, let's go to the install plugins and you'll find it appears over there. Okay, yes it does. So it shows you the name codes, then my name and URL to it, and then details for the plugin. Okay, so there are not much information displayed here for some reason. Maybe it is because I'm missing some of the comments regarding the plugin, which makes it appear like this. So anything we input here should appear within this table. Okay, so let's go ahead and activate this plugin. Make sure it doesn't pass any sort of errors because we are simply having it for this version right now. Okay, so that said, let's go to our website and check the footer for the comments. Okay, so in most cases it should appear right below our footer. So let's go to themes and see which themes helps to use this. Okay, let's go for this one and check out if our codes are appearing. Okay, so yes, this theme shows me the codes in the bottom. Let me save this so I can get into the website homepage. Okay, so here you see the code randomly appearing here. So let's change another page. Let me go to the contact page and check the footer again. Yes, it is randomly changing the codes in the WordPress footer. So this was a simple example to show you how exactly codes work and how exactly the plugin is going to use function for randomly selecting these codes. Okay, so I hope you find this tutorial helpful. In future tutorials I will even show you in-depth tutorials regarding how to use certain components like widget and database and network API for plugin development. So thank you for watching this short demo tutorial on creating your own plugin.